Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some very nice conditions across the region this morning. That's expected the next several days as we see high pressure in general controlling our weather pattern. Not going to see any precipitation or lightning today, and going to see temperatures in the lower 80s. So very seasonable for this time of year. Lots of sunshine in the area as well. Our freezing level from this morning sounding is at 13,300 feet. Winds are out of the northwest throughout the column this morning in general, seeing a peak wind at 16 and 20,000 feet at 43 knots. Current surface analysis, high pressure in control, stretching from the Ohio Valley into the region, also over the northeast states. A weak boundary through the area today, but overall that would just be a brief wind shift, and this boundary is not really doing too much across the region, other than just giving a wind shift briefly across the area. And looking at our satellite imagery this morning, you can see clear skies across the region. Nice weather in store. You see some light winds today and more sea breeze coming on shore for later this afternoon with a southerly breeze picking up off the ocean. And looking at our long range here with the GFS model, high pressure in control today and tomorrow. Francine comes on shore as a hurricane in Louisiana on Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday evening. We'll see additional area high pressure build in across the region on Friday as Francine moves into the Mississippi Valley. We'll see a possibility of a brief shower Friday afternoon, but overall those chances look to be less than 20% this time. Moving into Saturday, high pressure in general in control. Sunday as well. We'll see a bit more onshore flow from Thursday through the weekend as we'll have high pressure off to our north, east, as well as an area low pressure off to our south and to our east, and that usually gives us a stronger northeasterly flow across the region, so could be seeing a wind advisory, especially moving to the weekend. Early next week, I'm going to see high pressure in general in control, possibility of area low pressure starting to impact our region on Monday or Tuesday of next week. Models are kind of all over the place where this area low pressure develops and how quickly it moves towards the region. But right now, we'll keep on watching this, as it could look like we'll see some chances of rainfall starting early to mid next week. So looking at our risk chart for today, high of 82 degrees, low of 61, green chart across the board. Light winds in general, and then south 6 to 11 to 7 to 12 knots for later this afternoon with a sea breeze, and then variable less than 5 knots overnight. Terminal forecast is VFR the next 24 hours. Just some fairly cumulus clouds around 5,000 feet this afternoon, and clear skies overnight. Slight chance we see some patchy fog, and that's generally going to be over the agricultural areas if we do see that develop. A few clouds around 25,000 feet tomorrow morning, so mostly sunny skies. Our tides are running normal. And Wednesday to Thursday, green charts across the board. Wednesday, mostly sunny to partly cloudy and pleasant, high of 80. Wednesday night, mostly clear to partly cloudy and comfortable. Very slight chance of patchy fog once again, low of 62. And for Thursday, partly cloudy with a slightly breezy onshore flow, high of 78 degrees. Next 7 days, very similar weather expected. Next 7 days, as high pressure is in general going to be in control of our weather pattern. Lower 80s for today and tomorrow, then upper 70s from Thursday through Monday. More breezy onshore flow for Saturday through Monday. A slight chance of a brief sprinkle or shower for Friday afternoon, as well as a move into late Monday, depending on how quickly that area low pressure starts to impact our region. Off to our south, could be seeing a chance of better chances of rain once we move into Tuesday or Wednesday next week, depending on what the area low pressure does. But overall, looks like a really nice stretch of weather for the next 7 days, possibly continuing on, depending on the area low pressure for the middle of next week, with some, in general, just fair skies and good weather across the region. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. We're back tomorrow morning at 8:15, 10 a.m.